If you have a Midea dehumidifier like this, and when you turn it on, you have this light blinking, that means you need to clean your filter. Your filter is dirty. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First, turn it off, and then spin it around, and on the back side is where the filter is. And as you can see, since mine is in my garage, I get a lot of sawdust and everything else in here. So to take this off, you just pull it out this way, and I'm going to take it inside and clean it. So since this goes like this and the air kind of gets sucked in this way, I'm going to start by cleaning it from here because the bigger stuff isn't going to push through this filter. So I'm going to use some warm water. And first, I'll just rinse all this, get the big stuff off. You might even be able to just use water, do a quick rinse. That gets most of it off. But if your filter is really dirty, I'm just going to take a little mild dish detergent and take a toothbrush and start cleaning it like this. This filter is fairly new, not very dirty at all, but just to show you, this is how I would clean it if it was super dirty. And if you wanted to speed things along, you can get something like this, which I love. It makes this really easy and does a really good job. I'll just lightly scrub this. Don't put a hole in it. And that side is all scrubbed, and then you can flip it and do it on this side. And then with both sides done, I'm gonna flip it again and rinse all the soap out. And when you're all rinsed off, just shake it off, and you can either dry this with some paper towels, you can let it air dry, or since it is for dehumidifier, as long as you're running the dehumidifier for a good amount of time, you can just throw it back in and let it dry its own filter. Let's go put it back in. You might have some dust that got through here. I'll just clean that up a little bit. Why not? Before I put this filter in. And then to reinstall it, you got some tabs right here, and they go like that. And then make sure this strap is out of the way. Flip it into place, make sure it's sitting flush, and then we will turn it on. And you'll see the filter light is still blinking, but to reset it, you hold this down for 3 seconds. It'll beep, the light's gone, your filter is clean. So, if you needed to clean your filter in your Midea dehumidifier, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.